Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we have learned the introductions about the chapters which are coming in your this 11th grade syllabus, right? So we have seen till presentation basics. So you know what the fundamentals of a computer, how to work with the operating system like Windows or Linux, and then we have seen the theoretical concepts and also the number systems and the parts of computer also. And after that we have seen about the automation, that is office automation tools like word processor, spreadsheet and presentation and all, right? In that we have seen the introduction to word processor, that is we have seen the word processor from OpenOffice. In OpenOffice it is OpenOffice Writer, right? And then Calci, that is OpenOffice Calci, working with OpenOffice Calci. And last session we have seen about presentation basics, right? So you have got the idea about this office automation tools and the fundamentals of computer, right? And today we are going to start the introduction about the web page development using HTML and CSS. Okay, what is HTML? Hypertext markup language. Okay, this language is used to create a web page. Okay, whatever website you are seeing, if you are opening a Google or if you are opening any browser, one page will be visible, right? That page is designed by some coding languages. The basics of all coding language is this HTML. Okay, so before learning about this HTML, we'll see the introduction of internet or what is email and all we'll see. Okay, after that we'll be seeing about HTML, and then we'll see about JavaScript, and we'll include this JavaScript inside this HTML, right? So first we are going to see the introduction about internet and email. You all know what is internet, right? What is internet? The word internet is so common to you. See, our classrooms have become online, right? So without internet, you can't attend the classes also now. So internet and this online teaching and online and everything has become the mandatory in this situation, right? So internet means it is the network of computers which connects people all over the world. Okay, this about this internet only you will be learning in this chapter. Okay, in this chapter you will be learning what is this internet, what is the need of the internet, and you will study about www. You all know that all the links will start with www, right? What is www? It's World Wide Web. Okay, here TCP bar IP, that is Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol, only will be used to transmit the data or media or any kind of resources from one end to another end. Okay, so here internet, intranet and extranet will be there. You will be learning about domain name. What is the domain name? You all would have seen. YouTube means we'll say it as YouTube, www.youtube.com means you will get the YouTube page. Gmail means gmail.com. So com, what is that .com? Commercial organization. All these commercial organizations will have .com domain name. A government institution means it will have .gov. That domain name will be there. If there is a non-profit organization, .org will be there. Okay, any network supporting group is there means .net will be the extension. If any education institution is there, they'll have the generic domain name as .edu. Okay, so in our country or in our class, we'll use YouTube, right? So youtube.com, gmail.com, these are all the commercial organizations, right? So you all would have used Google, right? Google.com means Google.com. It is a commercial organization used worldwide. Okay, we have the Google version for India also. For that, we'll have country level domain names. If you are giving Google.com means all the searches all over the world will be visible. If you are giving google.co.in means you will get the description from India. All the search will be from inside India. Okay, same way for Australia means it's .au. United States of America means it's .us. Japan means .jp. Russia .ru. Singapore .sg. Okay, so then next you will be learning about URL. URL is a very important to mark. It may be asked for 5 mark also. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. This URL will have this subdomain, domain name, and top level domain. I told what is uh, top level domain, that is the generic domain name, country level domain name, these all will come in this top level domain in that space. And in domain name means Google, YouTube, Gmail, that is the domain name. Subdomain means www dot, that one. Then the protocol, IP or TCP, that one, HTTP colon double slash, like that it will come, that is the hypertext transfer protocol, that is HTTP. Okay, so these, about this and all you will learn here in this chapter, and you will know who governs this internet, how this internet came, who is the head of this internet. About this and all you will be learning here. W3C, that is www consortium. www is World Wide Web. Okay, World Wide Web Consortium is W3C. About the definition also you will be learning here, and the types of internet services also you will see in this chapter. Okay, what are the types of internet services? You know, wired internet services, wireless internet services. Now we are using internet services in your mobile, and from one mobile to another mobile to connect two mobiles, how will you use? You will use hotspot to give internet access from one mobile to another mobile. You will use hotspot, right? If you are having BSNL, we'll say it as broadband, right? That is a high-speed internet connection. It will be provided by a cable, or it will be provided with the help of telephone companies, right? Then another one, DSL, digital subscriber line, that also you would have heard. For modem and all we'll be using, right? Then cable means cable internet connection. Now if you are seeing, if you are having cable TV modem, from that also we'll be getting internet, right? So using cable, using satellite, that means in some areas if you see, broadband connections will be given with this satellite internet option. So with the satellite, and then ISDN, that is integrated service digital network, and all used to uh, give internet services. These are all the types of internet services. And you would have used dongles, you will have data cards, right? Data card means it is sometimes dongles means it will be, it will look like USB. Sometimes you will use this for laptop or computer. If you are just plugging in into the USB, you will get net connection. So that is dongle and data card. The difference between this dongle and data card also you will be seeing in this chapter. And internet connections and the access methods. Access also you will have direct access and indirect access. About this and all you will be learning in this chapter. Here you will be knowing for what this internet is used. You know, internet is used to use see this YouTube, or to search in Google, or to, or just to text in WhatsApp, or to see some videos or something. You know that internet is used only in this much, but internet has its application in a vast areas. If you see, internet telephony using this voice over internet protocol is used. Some nowadays, if you see, many people are searching jobs through internet. So this internet is used in job search and doing for shopping. If, in nowadays, if you see, most of the people are preferring online shopping only than going and purchasing. In this situation, it is good to purchase from home, right? So online shopping is done through internet. Stock market updates also, that selling and buying of shares are done by sitting in a computer itself. So this is done with the help of internet, right? And to other than traveling and going to one place and getting some thing, you will be able to sit in your home itself, and you can see everything live, right, from your home. If you are planning to travel somewhere also, you can book the tickets through online, or you can do paper research. Some PhD holders and all are doing research, right? Everything they can do through online itself. If you are, if one person is there in some other country, and one person is here in India, means we will be using video conferencing to do the face-to-face direct communications using web cameras, microphones, and all are there. Means we can do this video conferencing with this communication tools. Then commerce. We have seen about commerce, right? You are commerce students and you would have known what is commerce. Buying and selling of any goods or services or any products or any resources. If you are buying and selling means it is commerce, right? If you are doing it through online, we'll say it is e-commerce, right? So nowadays, if you see Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, everyone are doing e-commerce only. These are all the e-commerce applications, right? So these all are done by the use of this internet only. Then online payments. Online payments in India, if you see, many industries before and all we'll be having the amount in our hand and you'll be going and purchasing. Later on a card came, a debit card will be there, you'll just go and swap that debit card in the shop. Nowadays if you see, you can just use the online payments, you can just scan the code in your mobile and you can pay directly. No need to carry the card or no need to swipe and no need to put the passwords and all. So it has become so easy when using this internet, right? Then social networking sites. You know, what are the social networking sites you use? You can write this in your note here. You just write social networking sites and you can write. If you are using WhatsApp, write WhatsApp. If you are using Instagram, write Instagram. YouTube. Whatever social networking sites you are using, you can just mention it down in your note. Okay. Write the heading social networking sites and you just write all the headings and write two or three sentences about each headings. WhatsApp means it is used to connect people from all over the world and it helps us to talk, audio call, video call facilities there. We can talk by with face to face talk. We can chat, we can share stickers. So what all you know about each social networking applications you can write. Okay. Facebook means you can share or update your photos, or Instagram means you can update your photos with some text, catchy captions can be added, whatever you know. In that also you can chat with friends or unknown person. Also you can search the unknown person's profile there and you can view them. What all you know you can write about the social networking sites. Okay, social networking sites means all the networks which connects people globally. Okay, then voicemail, chatting, e-banking, you know, before and all, for everything people will be going to bank and depositing the money, going to bank and they'll be withdrawing the money, right? So here e-banking makes this work easy. You can just sit in your home and enter the account number or enter the amount details and you can search for the security options and you can send your amount securely by sitting in your home itself. So that this is e-banking. Right now you are learning through internet. If internet is there only, you will be able to watch this video, right? So learning is also done using this electronic technologies only. So internet application, the main application in your stage, it is used for e-learning, right? And some of the government websites are also there for applying for Aadhaar card name change or whatever maybe. They are giving a website there. You can go inside that website and you can just visit the website and you can do, or if you want to give a complaint, you can complain. If you want any name change or any certificate, anything, you can do it in the government website. That is e-governance. Okay, so this e-governance has some benefits also. It will reduce the corruptions, highly transparent one. If you are giving some application, you know whether it has reached somewhere or how, what is the status, everything you can see in that website itself. Okay, so it's very convenient. If you want to give an application to the collector, you can just meet the collector's portal and you can give the application online itself. So this is very convenient and it reduces the overall cost and expanded reach of government. We can reach the government easily, right? If you are going to a office and if you are waiting to meet a professional, or if you are waiting to meet any political leaders, means you can't meet. If you are want to meet collector, means you have to wait for so long. You have to spend the amount and you have to travel to their place and you have to wait for hours and you have to
reach them and give the application, right? Here, if you are having this e-governance site, if you are having government websites, means you can reach through this websites itself, right? So this will make your work easy. And then you'll be learning about email. Email is nothing but electronic mail. Okay, the first mail was sent by Ray Tomlinson in the year of 1971. This one, they have sent a test email which had QWERTYUIOP. That QWERTY means it is the letter which is in the format which is present in keyboard. Okay, in the keyboard, if you see QWERTY, so we will say this keyboard uh, alphabet order name is QWERTY keyboard. Okay, so normally before and all we had one Blueberry or Blackberry mobile. In that mobile, if you see, the alphabets will be arranged as A B C D E F G, like that it will be arranged. Normal type pad will be there in old Nokia phones and all, there and all A B C D E F, like that it will be arranged. After that, in one phone, if you see this keyboard, QWERTY keyboard came. So after that, now we are using touch phones, right? So this touch phones and all, maximum it will have this QWERTY option only. So this email was sent. First email was sent by this Ray Tomlinson in the year of 1971, and the text contained this QWERTY UIOP. Okay, so you will be learning the structure of email and what is the use of this email, how can we send this email, about this and all you will be learning in this chapter. Okay, and about this internet threat also, about the browsers, web page and websites differences, static and dynamic web pages also you will be learning here, and you will be having some um, rules to follow while you are surfing on internet. If you are searching something on internet, what you have to do and what you should not do will be given here in this chapter. This is a very important chapter to know about internet, and also about email. Okay, and the next chapter will be HTML. HTML is used to create web pages. Okay, about this HTML, where this is a new separate chapter. So about the introduction of HTML we'll see in the next session. Okay, so this session we have seen about internet and the web page, website, browser, what all you know, you just write it down in that note. Okay, so when I see that, I'll know how much you have known before learning the chapter. Okay, what all idea you have about this browser, web page, website, internet, social networking sites, about the services which online, which are provided online, about this URL, everything. What all you know, you just write now. And after taking the class, after learning this introduction to internet and email, whatever you know, you can write. So you can compare how much now, what knowledge you have on this internet, and what knowledge you are gaining after learning this chapters and all. Okay, so now you can today's work is you can write about internet, email, social networking sites, and what all you know regarding this online things, you can write it in your note. Okay, so one more thing I would like to say, please stay safe in your home. If you are going out, wear mask and sanitize well before entering in your home. Try to be inside your home itself. Don't step out of your home for any reason. Okay, stay safe. Take care. Thank you for your valuable time. Bye.